Well, we have an update about Hunter Lawrence, who we have not seen since round 5 in Tampa, where he crashed, sustaining a raised and partially torn labrum in his right shoulder, along with multiple cracks in his humerus bone. In a press release issued by the team, they expect him to be racing in the Pro Motocross Opener May 24th in Pala. Now, this is obviously after the crash and the subsequent injury, and then having surgery on February 13th. So this is good news. I mean, obviously, him and his brother Jet have been out most of the year. I mean, Jet lasted 4 rounds, Hunter lasted 5, and since then we've had no HRC riders until, well, not even this week, next week, until Dean Wilson fills in for the rest of the Supercross season. So this is good. I mean, obviously, you want the most people racing, the highest quality competition you can possibly put out there. And that would include having the most factory guys because they are the ones who are the championship contenders or should be. So if we can get some people back, it's going to make motocross better. Obviously, the more competition you have, the better product you're going to have, the more fun it's going to be to watch, the better the championship is going to be. I mean, if you've got one or two guys racing and everyone else injured, it's one of those things that sadly that's how this supercross season has gone. Just injury after injury after injury, and nobody ever wants to see that. At least I don't. Along with the release, we do have a quote also from Brandon Wilson, the manager of racing and advertising at American Honda, saying, "Obviously, we've missed having the Lawrences racing out of our truck for much of this season, but we're happy to see them progressing well and hope to have them back in action soon. In the meantime, it will be great to have Dean Wilson showcasing the CRF 450R WE. I'd like to thank Yarev and Martin at Quadlock Honda for their flexibility in order to make this happen." So we still do have a few rounds of Supercross to go. So it's going to be interesting to see how Dean Wilson can mesh with that bike, onto the factory ride, how well he can do for the last few rounds. And for him, probably no expectations at all. No, if it's 5, 6 rounds on a bike that you haven't ridden for a team you haven't ridden for. And for Hunter Lawrence, it's going to be cool. I mean, hopefully he can come back for the start of motocross, like they say, and be competitive, not just, 80%, 90%, still working his way back into it. Hopefully he is fully healed. I mean, obviously from February 13th till by time by the time motocross starts, it's going to be what, 3 months? I think I saw somewhere the recovery time for this was 8 to 10 weeks. So hopefully he is fully healed and competitive, and we'll see where this ends up. I mean, it's good for him to be back. We don't have any update on his brother yet, and good for Dean Wilson to get that fill and ride. But comment down below, tell me what you think. How well do you think Wilson's going to do on the fill and ride? Uh, how long do you think it's going to take Hunter to fully be back, or if he's not 100% at the start? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. Peace.